Welcome to Grace Garden, where I love to be, but I also love to travel and explore the big, beautiful garden that we all share. I'm your host, Carol Kanicki, and I'm so glad you've come along. So thankful to enjoy the beauty in nature and to get to work with the things that I love. And to get to share all that with you. Join me for some awesome adventures in nature and at some other exciting destinations. I hope to inspire you and to document my memories. Thank you for coming along with me out into our Grace Garden. I'm at Wellsweet Herb Farm in Port Murray, New Jersey. And it's not your typical garden center. It's really a place that you have to experience. But I'll try to share as much as I can. It's one of my favorite places to come. And I think you'll enjoy it too. Such pretty chickens. Oh wow, look at that one back there. My goodness, aren't they pretty? Gorgeous, gorgeous birds. What is this? It's heather. This is heather. Striking. Look at this. Look at these colors. I'm loving it. I don't think I'm going to get anything from here today, but they have a lot of cool plants. Nothing's really caught my eye, but we will be back. They're still putting a lot of their plants out. It's not even April yet. It's the last Saturday of March. They're open year-round, but obviously it's very early in the season yet. So we'll have to come back.